Pinya. I'm studying in SBS International Chiangmai. I'm currently studying in year 12. Recently, I got the opportunity to intern at STECON Group, and I'm excited to share this experience with you. SBS International Chiangmai offers many internship opportunities, and I chose STECON because I was interested in business and engineering tracks. My first impression at STECON was that I was very excited. I walked into the office and there was 3 main departments, and I loved it because I thought it was very organized. And on my left-hand side, it was the offices with meeting rooms, and I was very impressed by it. It was very decorated in a modern way, and I loved it. Initially, I was informed that I would be working with a strategy team. I was expecting to learn some strategic frameworks, how meeting runs, the organization functions, and a big part of please assign me something unexpected. On my second week, I was assigned a project to research about a new market segment, a new business opportunity for a subsidiary company of STECON Group. Well, I can't share too much because the information is top secret. Yes and no. At school, I get to learn the theories and the case studies, while here at STECON, I get to experience how it actually plays out in the real world.
If you identify yourself as a lifelong learner, someone who has an open mindset, someone who's eager to step out of their comfort zone, someone who loves to try new things, learn new ways to work with other people other than people within your school, then I think STECON is your answer. Here we welcome students from various diverse backgrounds, and also we welcome students who are not just only interested in construction. As I've mentioned before, STECON is about branching out to other ventures, whether it's technology, data center, infrastructure in the logistics realm, including renewables such as solar plants and water management. If all of these things speaks to your heart, and you are willing to enjoy working with people from various backgrounds as well, then STECON welcomes you with open arms, and we hope to see you in the future.
What did I learn from my internship? 3 main skills I've developed and learned from my internship was first, my research skills. The project I was assigned with requires a lot of market research. I used 2 main resources to help with my research. First was the internet, the resource I used when I was doing my projects in school. And second, I was introduced to use the Bloomberg terminal. Second skill I've developed was my analytical skills. I have to analyze companies and narrow it down into the companies that fit STECON's interests. Thirdly, my communication and presentation skills. I have to present a lot of presentation to the STECON's management team.
At AOI, it's important for us to ensure that all of our schools are equipped with internships that benefit our students. We want them to be able to correlate the things that they learn in the classroom, the theory of knowledge, with practical experiences in the organization. So we work non-stop to ensure that we have blue chip companies that are our partners to be able to correlate curriculum to career path.